Today in the 1965 Pontiac, we're ready to put the carpeting in. And what I did was I went over, there's a lot of pinholes in the floor, and I used a really good HVAC hard rubber tape to cover most of them. And I also used that on the wiring harness back to the rear of the car. And there's a groove in the floor pans for this, and it's so that the driver or the passenger doesn't rub through any of the wiring. There's also wiring that goes up to the console, so the interior guy could put his insulation right over this, and then the carpet. For today, I'm just going to carpet over it, but we're ready to rock here. And then we have this, all this, the holes ready for the seats, and we also have the seat belt, so it's all going in. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we have the carpet and the kick panels installed. I was able to get this to fit pretty good. Seat belts as well. Next thing to do is to put the seats in. I learned some good tricks back in the 70s of making carpets fit real good, working in a stereo shop. And we did a good job of putting things back together the way they belong. So the only thing is I'm waiting for the bolts to hold these on. A couple of other minor things here, but that's it. This car is almost ready to go down the road. The only thing it needs is some more miles put on it, and I need to wait for a few items, and I have some brake work left to do. Stay tuned. And there you have it. Carpeting, kick panels, seat belts, seats. I'm going to speak to the owner about possibly just leaving the console out until his console parts come in that are missing in his order. Looks pretty good down here. I would give this, for a leftover carpet, I would definitely give this a B+. Looks good down here too. We'll put the trims on tomorrow, and that'll be that. There you have it. Kirk out.